Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT fractional quantifiers. So in our daily DILR set series, we are going to do a reasoning based set today, and it is probably one of the fun loving set we have seen of recently. We keep on fluctuating the level of difficulties, and this one is on a bit of an easier side. The optimum time to do this set should be 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, let's see what the set is all about. Okay, before we move to the set, this is the comprehensive overview of the courses that we provide for CAT. If you are looking to enroll, you can enroll. Our new batch is going to start super soon. So let's see what the set is all about. The set says, a train starts at station 1 and goes to station 8 via 6 station 2 to 7. And in that order, at each of these 6 stations, twice as many people get in those as they get down. So हर स्टेशन पे x लोग आएंगे और 2x x लोग निकलेंगे और 2x आएंगे, ठीक है? A very simple fact. And then it is given to me that all the numbers are prime numbers, ठीक है? This is given to me, right? Now let's just make a pictorial representation or start solving it, because there is nothing much complicated here. Okay, let's see what the set is all about. So from A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, there are 6 and 8 stations. So there are some people who are exiting and then some people who are entering. This is given to me. Now it is also given to me that each consecutive station, the number of people who get down are a prime number between. Here the number is between 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on up to 50 to 60. All the numbers are prime. Now what is given over here? The number of people who got down at station 7 is more than 55. So the number of people who get down at station 7, which means station G, is more than 55. So can I say there is only one possibility, that is 59. So 59 people must have got down here. So 59 people have got down, the entry must be of 118. So let's just focus upon exiting now. The difference should be at least 10, which means the person at F should be below 49, below or equal to 49. So what are the prime numbers below or equal to 49? The numbers are 47 and 45, 41. Can I say 41 cannot be there? Why? Because if 41 is there, then this number is 31. This number will be 21 or below, but it cannot be a prime number in that. So which means I cannot keep a 47 over here. So if 47, I cannot keep a 41 over here. So it must be 47. Now if this is a 47, it must be 37 or lower, 37 or the lower is 31. Again, as I discussed, 31 cannot be there because in that case it will be 21 or less, which is not possible. This is 37. Now if this is 37, this is 27 or less. So if 27 or less, it could be 26, 25, 24, 23. It is 23. Fine. It is 23. And then this must be 13 or 11. If I keep 11, here it will be 1, which is not a prime number. So here it must be 13 and here it must be 3. So pretty straightforward sequencing. And entry is double. So 3, the entry is 6. 13, the entry is 26. 23, the entry is 46. 57, 74, 47, 90. So this is the basic thing. Now let's see what the questions are all about. How many people got down at station 6? So station 6 is by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The people got down at station 6 are 47. 47 people. 94 are entering, 47 got down. The train started with 32 people. So started with 32 people. All the passengers left in the station at the train 8 got down there. So all the passengers are getting down here. The train is exiting, is getting emptied over here. Find the number of passengers who got down at station 8. So 32 people were here. We have exited, 29 are left. Okay, so I do. Okay. And then 6 entered, there are 35 here. And 13 exited. So 22 are left. 26 entered, there must be 48. 23 exited, there must be 25. 46 entered, there must be 71. 37 exited, there must be 34. 74 entered, 108. 47, it becomes 61. 95, it became 155. 9 exited, it became 94. 96. 118, so it became 212. Now here all the people are exiting. So how many people are exiting? 214 people are exiting at station number 8 according to this situation. So this is also taken care of. So people here are 214 actually. Which of the following cannot be the number of people who got down at any station? So number of people, 3 can be, 17 cannot be, 47 can be, 23 can be. So 17 is the required answer for this. Easy one again. What is the minimum number of people that the train must have started at station 1? यहाँ minimum कितने होंगे? Minimum के लिए इधर दिमाग में देख के आता है that there should be 3 minimum people. If there are 3 people here, 3 have exited, 6 have entered, but then it is not possible that 13 exited here. So let me see that if 13 exited here, what are the minimum number of people I need to start with? Maybe that will give me an answer. Let's try that. So if 13 people are exiting here, okay, can I say there must be 13 people at C? And how have 13 people become here? By adding 6. By adding these 6 people, the total became 13, which means the people here must be 7. So 7 plus 6 became 13. So if there are 7 people here, how have I reached this 7? I have reached this 7 by making 3 people exit. So the minimum number of people here must be 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. This must be the flow. So the minimum people needed to be 10. So this is the required setting. This has completed my process. I hope you guys like the information. If you did, please join our, please subscribe to our channel. And as I said, our class is going to start soon. You can join. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.